Hello, I'm Alex from Sembly AI, and today I'll show you how to push tasks from Sembly to MeisterTask. So first of all, you'll need to create your own account in MeisterTask. After that, we go to the Sembly and click to My Automations. Click to Browse all apps and find MeisterTask here. Click to MeisterTask and click to Connect. Now you connect your automation. We will create the new automation for the task. So click in Data Type, select, and select Data Type here. In the second window, you will choose the filter. In our case, I will apply to all meetings that I have access to. And click Done. And complete. When you set up your automation, all your tasks that were detected in the meetings will automatically send to MeisterTask. But you can also do it manually, and now I'll show you how to do this. You can go to My Meetings and click to some of the meetings. Go to the tasks, and now let's try to send the meetings. Click to the flash and post item to MeisterTask automation. We can also specify, so I can assign me and the date. Now we can go to MeisterTasks. In the main window, we have My Sembly project. Click here. And here in the To Do section, we have two tasks that we sent from the Sembly.